Today we're going to demonstrate a medial meniscal repair using the new Arthrex SutureLoc. This will be a demonstration of this fixation technique. So you can see here that we have a medial compartment. We're going to do a small trephination. This allows us access to the joint. There's been no long-term issues with this. You can see we have a scarred meniscal root. This is about a month and a half out. Now we're going to prepare the footprint of where we're going to try to put this root back. You can see there's actually a small bleeding surface that we irritated. And then we're going to place the guide. You can see the pin goes through there. This is again a 2.4 cannulated pin. We use this nice center sleeve to remove the bone. And then we're going to pull this wire out. And then we're going to pull the SutureLoc in. Again, the hardest part's at very end. You're going to pull it under the cortical surface and then enlarge the SutureLoc. Then we're going to do is pull 3 of the 4 stitches out to avoid any suture tanglement. We have a passport cannula now we're working from, and this is going to be our rip stop. The key here is you're going to flip the scorpion around. You can see we do a horizontal mattress. We're going to take the passing stitch, and then we're going to lock this down. And this is all being done at the tibial side. And now we're going to get just a small amount of tightness, and then we're going to place the next suture. So you can see here we pass the interrupted suture down, and again this is going to have a nice fixation of our meniscal root. I really like this construct. It reduces pullout, and the retensionability is excellent of this device. You can see as we slowly tension this knee, we're going to also range the knee to about 90 degrees and then go back up again and make sure there's no looseness. And we do this again, we can retension. You can see this is very well tightened down to the surface. And then we're going to microfracture the notch, and this will complete our medial meniscal repair. I've been really happy with this device. Thank you.